In this video, I will share 3 basic tips about website design. While the website design is really subjective and depends on what types of website, but I believe the following advice is able to apply to all websites. Let's get started now. The first tip is to make sure your website is mobile friendly. Yes, the view from your laptop looks perfect, but do you check from the mobile view? I know most of the common content management system like WordPress already have the mobile responsive feature. However, the perspective and user experience is different when you view the website within your palm. You might need to tweak a little bit of design if necessary. The second tip is about white space. White space or negative space is the area between the element on a web page. This element is important to let your reader's eyes to relax and breathe between the section or element on your website. Besides, white space also can drive the focus and attention to the intended area when browsing your website. No matter what type of content the website is intended for, it's important to use white space to keep the navigation clear and smooth, and to make sure the reader's experience continue to flow properly. Most users just quit the website because it contains too much text. The third tip is to leverage a visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy refers to the arrangement, size, color, and contrast of visual elements. It determines the relative prominence and the order in which they are seen by the human eye. As a human eye always glance through the flow according to the design of your website, make sure the above the fold contain the essential information in order to attract users to stay on your website. I see some of the websites use the wrong images or emphasize the wrong element. This will confuse the user and increase the bounce rate. Okay, that's all for the 3 basic website design tips. Website design is not just one-time job, but needs consistent effort to improve the user experience. Great web design without functionality is like a sport car with no engine. Thanks for watching and see you again. Remember to like, comment, and share this video.